Hello fellow traders, it's Prof. I just want to show you with you guys the Eur Pairs. So I'm starting with the EURAUD. Over here you can see the market has pushed down strongly. So this is the very good time to sell this pair up to those levels over there. Going to the monthly time frame, you can see the market has been pushing up higher, retested almost those 2008 levels over there. Okay, even here you can see we have been pushing higher in this form of an ascending triangle. This is a strong break, then we are anticipating a retest somewhere there. Okay, again, here's I've said that this is a good opportunity to sell this market. You just have to look for support here on smaller time frames. Then again, where I'm saying the market can come and retest this zone or this level here, it's because of what I see here is I see a push and almost 4 days of sideways market, then a strong push like that. So this is an area of demand, guys. So if this market can come and bounce here, then this is a good buying opportunity around these areas there. So one can still expect to buy this market around there, or again when it pushes to this zone. So that's where we can be expecting our buys going up with this market. Okay, the next pair that I just want to show you is this one, the EURCAD. Quickly go to the monthly. You can see that this market again had this strong bullish run, then the market corrected in the form of a wedge pattern. And you see this strong break of this upper resistant level with this kind of a push. So again here what I'm going to do is going to look out for selling opportunities. Once this support level here is broken, then we can be expecting this market to come to this area first, or even to retest somewhere here that 200 days moving average or that level over there. Then we can expect a further push higher. So that's where one can expect to sell this market. Below this level, targeting these areas and buying from this level over there on a potential bounce off. Going back to this daily, can even see here that we have a reversal pattern, guys. So this is our head and shoulder pattern. We had this strong push, maybe a retest over there. So once this level gets broken, expect price to push to this areas over there where we can expect a retest of this trend line, then we can push further up like this. Okay, EURJPY again on the monthly, you can see we are still trading in this channel going down. Now weekly is the same thing. After this strong push we corrected, then now we are dropping in that manner. So going to these time frames over here, this is one of the setups that I've shared. I've even got a video on this one through this channel, you can check it. We expected a bounce from this PRZ or from this demand, so we did have that. Then the market is correcting in that manner over there. So coming to the current price action, after we had a strong breakout of this short-term rise here, this looks like a potential retest, and it was at an area of confluence over there. So again, one can expect to sell this market below this short-term rise there. Why do I have this fib retracement? Just wanted to check the area of confluence. As you can see, this broken line here, and then this resistance one of this channel here, it is an area of confluence with a 200-day moving average, again just slightly above this 50% correction of the swing high and the swing low. So hence I'm saying from this support level, once I see a breakout, then you can expect price to fall to this level or even further to this area over here. So you can expect that move on a breakout. Then from this area you can expect a further push up higher. Or if price is not going to hold, then you can just go down with this market, as this is still a nice bearish market. And then again, one other thing you can just use this to measure your target for the downside and use that swing high over there. Then you can see that price is almost coming to this level over here, closest to this long-term support level. So this is like a flagging pattern. Should we see a breakout of this level, then we sell this market up to these areas over here. Okay, that's for the EURJPY. EURGBP, yeah, you can see that here we still have this market falling after it pushed strongly up and started to lack momentum to the upper side. And now one can look at this current price action. You can see that we have these strong bearish weekly candles, and some saying from this level over here you can start selling this market to that zone over there. You can only buy when you see some bullish momentum coming in or engulfing patterns. Then that's where you can target that upper side. But going down to these smaller time frames, one can even see that this previous structure over here became support levels over here. So once we have a breakout of this area, which is another area of importance, is a 618 retracement level of this swing, guys. So here two things can happen. We can have a bounce off like that, or we can have a continuation to the downside like that. So again, one can even see that, okay, after from that swing, after this correction, it looks like maybe we are having a potential bottoming pattern. So you just have to look. If we start to build up with engulfing patterns here or rejections, then we can push up higher, break that level, then one can expect a retest to this neckline over here, then push with this market like that. Then if not, one can again still view this area here as a flagging pattern which has just broken to the downside, sorry, just like that. So you can even say, okay, this is just a continuation. When price breaks here, then we'll continue going down. This is the first area of importance that one can look to take out his profits or target that one over there. So this is simply how one can trade this, looking at this area here. This is an important price to check for sales or both bounce, then buy this market, guys. So you can see previous resistance becomes support, and we are slightly trading up below this 200-day moving average. So a breakout of this market over there, this is our next TP, then the last one is around there. Okay, euro franc. This is my euro franc. On a weekly, on a monthly, you can see we are still into the downside again here. A weekly again. So here I'm looking for sales below this level, then I can target these areas over here, because of when I measure that swing high and this swing low of this flagging pattern like that, the leg will complete somewhere here or somewhere here in that zone. So I'm still expecting a further decline like that. Okay, taking it to this time frames. Even on this daily, you can see that there is not enough price action that one can conclude that this market is about to turn. But if price gets rejected from this level, guys, then we started to see bullish candles building, then we can say maybe we are having a reversal pattern in a form of a double bottom. Then this will be our neckline. This is our first top neckline, last one, then a push up higher. Then once we have a breakout of this level or this one over here, this is the move that one can expect going forth with this pair. Okay, but on a breakout of this level here, then one can expect this market to continue going down following the this long-term trend. Okay, that's how I'm going to trade it. EURNZD on a monthly, one can see that price pushed up higher to retest almost this area where we retraded in 2009. So we've been trading higher even on this one. After this strong push to the upper side, we have retraced, I think maybe it's just yeah, almost going to 70%, but there. So this market will just wait for it to break below this level, then wait for this area over here, this area over here to be retested, then we can expect a push up higher. Why am I saying that? It's because of when I take you to these time frames, you can see, guys, this is what we call falling wedge. So a falling wedge normally breaks to the upper side, then it takes market up like that. So now we just wait for this market. If we see a breakout of this level, then we just wait for this area here to look at for potential buying and target this swing high over there. So that's how we are going to trade the EURNZD. Okay, yeah, last this one, EURUSD, quickly on this monthly, you can see that after that this strong push, the market came back to retest those support levels over there. Just want to work out on this time frame. Yeah, from this time frame, I'm looking at this harmonic pattern, and again this flagging pattern that we have there. After this strong decline, then the market started to push up higher in another form of a flagging pattern. So hence I'm expecting a bullish breakout of this level, then this market will be going up here or even further to that level over there. So this is the leg that I want to see in EURUSD for a potential buy. And if not, one can even say that from the smaller time frame, if this price pushes and it comes to this level, this is a better area of buying, or even coming back to these levels, it will be giving me another opportunity to go long, target that Pairs of the harmonic pattern that I've just shown you. So here we just wait for these levels, this area or this one, or a breakout of this swing, then we go with this market to the upper side, just like that. Okay, this is simply how I see these pairs. Then I'm going to trade them just like that. Okay, thank you very much and cheers, guys.